So I'm gonna eat this Japan chocolate. So this is from my friend. Yeah. So I cannot read it because I'm not from Japan. But he bought this in Japan. There we go. So this is how it looks like. We already opened it with Charlotte, right? You show yourself, Charlotte. There. Yeah. So here it is. Yeah. Show yourself. There. Oh, there's a biscuit. Actually, there's a biscuit on the other side. And here, yeah. You show yourself on the half body. There you go. Hi.
Hi po.
Hi po. Right, so I'm gonna taste it. I think it tastes good, no?
Can I have one more?
First, because I'm gonna give you this and gonna treat it.
No, I
It's
cannot.
kinda malambot na po because
It's kind of malampo.
it's kinda there you go. So lang, just want to share it. This is actually Alford mini chocolate that, yeah. So this kind of chocolate in Japan, yeah. You buy one because it's so yummy. This is Alford mini chocolate. So yummy. Yeah. There's a biscuit. You know, my biscuit on the other side of it. Yeah, my biscuit now. Charlotte now. Biscuit. Yes. Alright. Alright. Bye everyone. Thanks for watching. Say bye-bye.
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 And